All right, I've got our multi-tank lube trailer here to give you a walk around. First of all, fuel pump is a gas-powered fuel pump with 50 feet of hose and a auto shut-off nozzle. Same thing on the DEF, 50 feet of hose on the reel. Here's your DEF pump, and we've got 90 gallons of diesel exhaust fluid here, two-way fill on that. And then here's your manifold for all the tanks back there. We've got the manual valves that always work. You open, you close, you know they're working, they're not electric. And here we have our tanks. We've got 6 tanks at 110 gallons. And then we've got 4 50-gallon tanks over here. You see this one could also be used for diesel or whatever else you want to. You've got oil, and then 2 more on the other side. As we go along here, we've got a good step for getting on here. These fenders are heavy duty and easy access to the top. Fill caps are all on the side to easily fill these. We've got a solar charger over there. And then we'll go around the back. Here we have a rotary screw air compressor with that Honda engine. And then grease with hose reel. Here's your bucket. And this is where we've got all the hose reels for the 4 tanks in the back. Antifreeze, air, oil 2, and oil 1. You see the other 2 tanks, and this antifreeze tank is a stainless steel tank. You can't see it because it's powder coated on the outside, but that is stainless steel on that tank right there. Here you see the backside of the DEF tank, some storage capability there. And this side, you see the back of the engine, the diesel pump, access to your fuel filter and your reels. And that there is our lube trailer. Again, 610-gallon tanks there, and then 4 50-gallon tanks in the back. Rotary screw air compressor on there. Check it out, bosstrailers.com to find your nearest dealer.